Hi everyone. Luna just got back from having a bath today, and Lucy had a peaceful day with her gone all day, but she's back and she's ready to eat some of her new treats. And so she's got several to choose from here. As you can see, she kind of left these. I don't think these are her favorite, but she does like these a little bit more. Let's see. And Lucy, you want one too? Here you go, Lucy. There you go. But she will eat these when there's nothing left. But let's say that, between the two of them, so Luna, let me go ahead and give her another treat so that she'll pay attention during this video. All right, sit. Sit. Very good, Luna. Good job. Lucy, you're such a good girl. You don't have to sit. All right, so let's say between the two of them, let's say that there are 75 treats. So we have to split it between the two. All right, this one's to brush your teeth. All right, good job. So they have 75 treats, and we're splitting them between the two dogs. So I've got 75 divided by 2. And so when I work this out, there's different ways that I can do it. I'm going to go ahead and start out with a group of 20. Since 20 times 2 is going to be 40, I would subtract, and now I've got 35 left over, so I can't make another group of 20, so I'm going to do a group of 10. So 10 times 2 is going to be 20. Oh, she needs another treat. Come here. So now I can make 7 groups of 2, because 7 times 2 is 14. And I have 1 left over. And so there's different ways that I could write this. I could say that my answer is 37 and a half, because I use my remainder and write it as a fraction. Or another way that I could do this is I can say, if I want to do it as a decimal, what we've been talking about. And since it is treats, we probably would leave it as a fraction and they could both split the treats. Like I kind of just broke 1 in 2 for them. But since we're talking about decimals, remember what we would do is we would put our decimal point and a 0 here and then bring that down. And so now I've got 10 divided by 2, which is going to be 5. So if I go ahead and write all this, I've got 37, and then I'm going to bring up my decimal point and say 5 here, since 5 times 2 is 10. So I know 37.5 is the same thing as 37 and a half. So these two are equivalent. So this is how, I don't know if y'all heard that, but Luna, she burps every now and then. And that's actually going to be our mystery word for today, is burp. And you're going to have some more practice like this, where you're going to go ahead and find the decimal answer. So, remember, we can do it as a fraction, but we're going to write them as decimals today. So let me know if you have any questions. Aww.